school, Tuldabhawani Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Sant Jnaneshwar Nagar, Latur, arranged this virtual class, especially the student of 8th class. So, today we are going to discuss on unit number 1. And in this unit, we are going to discuss on today unit number 1, 1.2. A very interesting and very beautiful story, Andropolis and the Lion. It is a very nice story. I know well. You like stories to hear. It is a very nice story. Andropolis and the Lion. Okay. Now I read the story. Long, long ago, there lived a kind, gentle and courteous man called Andropolis. But he had a very cruel master. In those days, kings, nobles and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. Andropolis was a slave. The slaves were forced to work for their master. They had to do what their master told them. They had no freedom, no rights. Even when they were unhappy with their master, they could not leave him. They were bound by laws to obey their masters, however wicked he might be. Friends, it is a very beautiful story of Andropolis. Long, long ago, there was lived Andropolis. He was a kind man. He was a courteous man. He was a gentleman. And actually, he was a slave. Slave means gulam. Courteous means polite. Slave, person who is owned by someone. In those days, rich person like king, nobles, wealthy persons used the poor person as a slave. That is the tradition. Slave means person who is owned by someone, and Andropolis is a slave, and his master was a very cruel person. Actually, Andropolis did not like his master because he was a cruel person. His master was not a kind person. So Andropolis was unhappy. Andropolis was unhappy. Therefore, he was unhappy. The slaves were forced to work for their masters. In those days, masters forced to work to slaves. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom. Actually, in this story, Andropolis was a slave man. He was courteous and he was a kind man, but he was a slave man. And his master was cruel. And his master, the slaves were forced to work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom. The freedom of eating, the freedom of walking, speaking. They had not freedom. Even when they were unhappy with their masters. Andropolis was an unhappy person because he became unhappy with his master. for his master. They could not leave him. They were bound by laws. Freedom, the condition of being free. Bound by laws means strictly forced to follow by the laws. Under the law. And Andronicus was bound by laws. Therefore, he cannot go from his master. They were bound by laws to obey their masters, however weak he might be. Andronicus did not like his heartless, weak master. His master starved. Starved means suffering from lack of food. Starved his slaves and often beat the dead. Beat means beat slavery, beat a weak. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये सावकारी मारणे असतो. जे पूर्वी जी गुलामाचे मालक आहेत ते आपल्या गुलामांना चाबकानं शिक्षा करायचे किंवा मारायचे. beat certainly with a beat. Andronicus felt that even death was better than serving such a master. Actually, Andronicus felt death is better than our master. Death is better than our serving of master. Therefore, he was unhappy. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. Opportunity means chance. ज्याला आपण मराठीत संधी म्हणतो. And always, actually, he felt death is better than his master. Therefore, he was waiting of an opportunity. At the first chance he got, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. And one day, he got an opportunity and he escaped from his master, cruel master. Andronicus escaped. तो त्याचा जो मालक होता Andronicus, त्याच्या तावडीतून तो एक दिवस निसटून गेला. त्यांनी स्वतःची सुटका करून घेतली आणि तो वाट पाहत होता की कधी यांच्यापासून आपल्याला पळून जाता येईल, इथून दूर निघून जाता येईल. आणि त्याला एक तशी संधी भेटली आणि तो तिथून निघून गेला. Now, although Andronicus had thus run away, he was not coward. Actually, Andronicus was a courageous man. He was not coward. Andronicus काय हा भित्रा व्यक्ती नव्हता. He was a courageous man. He took shelter in the forest. He ran away in the forest and he took shelter in the forest. He was not afraid of the wild beasts that roamed the forest. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was unhappy. He became happy then that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. And when Andronicus reached in the forest, actually he had not shelter. In the forest he had lack of food, but he was happy because he can go everywhere like a free bird. Therefore he was happy. Then one day, as he was wandering in the forest, he suddenly came face to face with a lion. And one day he was wandering here and there in the forest in search of fruit and food. One day he met a lion face to face. With a lion, his first reaction was to turn and flee. Preciously tight-hold and towards one who gets easily afraid. Flees run away. When Andronicus was wandering in the forest one day and he saw a lion different of him. And that time he was not covered. But that time he won't flee because he is afraid of the lion. But then he saw that the lion had not moved on, seeing him. It neither roared nor roared. In fact, it looked at him piteously as if he was in great pain. But that lion was not growled in the sound of anger. He was not growled. And piteously, in a piteous manner. He stayed there silently. Okay? Now we will stop here, and next part we will see in next video. Thank you. And you can write all these words in your notebook and receipt them. Thank you.